Hey guys, welcome back to another video where I'm bringing you that cryptocurrency news. Today's article comes from CoinDesk and looks like Saudi Arabia mules pricing of China oil sales in the yuan, says a report. So yeah, not just cryptocurrencies, but digital money is starting to progress further than the US dollar as of right now. So let's see. The move would be a challenge to the US dollar, which has dominated as the medium of exchange for the oil trade for decades. But is this changing now? Here we got the yuan. Let's see if it's the digital yuan or if it's just the yuan. Saudi Arabia is in discussions with Beijing about pricing some Saudi oil sales to China in yuan instead of dollars. According to a Wall Street Journal reporting, citing people familiar with the matter, chatter about this sort of arrangement has been ongoing for several years, but recent events have brought a new urgency to talks, according to the report, which says the Saudis are questioning longstanding U.S. securities commitments to the kingdom. Among the issues are what the Saudis believe to be less than enthusiastic support for the war in Yemen, the White House's attempt at an Iran nuclear deal, and shock of the American withdrawal from Afghanistan, the report said. China is a buyer of more than 25% of Arabia's exported oil, according to a story. The news would seemingly be of interest to the Bitcoin and gold markets, but for now, there is little reaction, with the price of Bitcoin staying at the mid 3,800 or 38,000 range, and gold remained lower by 2.1% for the day at 1,918 per ounce. So I didn't say anything about the digital yuan, but it just shows that countries are starting to move away from the US dollar, just from everything the government's been doing here in the past year and a half. I mean, it's been that long. It's kind of getting untrustworthy. Like, you're printing even more money too. So it's like the US dollar is losing value. It's not going to be worth much of a medium of exchange. Like, if you didn't realize it, in the last 2 years, the US government printed 80% of the total US dollar supply within those 2 years. And that's crazy to think. For as long as the US dollar has been around, 80% of it has been created in a 2-year period. So it's definitely using its value. People out there are looking for other ways to have a store of value of their currency because no one wants to lose their money. US inflation hits 7.9%, potentially even higher. So if you just kept your money in the bank, you lost 7.9% of its value by just keeping it in there. So yeah, they're looking at yuan. China's already got a digital yuan out there that was released during the Beijing Olympics 2022. And yeah, at least 100 other countries working on CBDCs as well. And then you got the decentralized cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, out there. So there's so many competitions that has switches too. So we are going to see what's going to happen. Like, are they going to switch over to the yuan? Are they going to start using Bitcoin for a transaction? Like, what's the world going to use as a medium of exchange? So we'll find out in the future. We just got to see and wait and see what happens. But yeah, interesting article about this. Like, this is huge, definitely in the economic structure. So yeah, I'm definitely interested in seeing what's going to happen. If you are too, hit that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and until next time, the Crypto Sherpa is out.